I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting exactly where you want spell checking to run, not the whole workbook blindly. Click a cell, press Ctrl+A for the sheet, or drag to highlight a range. This targets corrections. Once done, save your file so you can undo if needed. Spell check modifies text. Also, make sure track changes is off or you accept edits first, because Excel can block automatic corrections when review features are active. Now move to the Review tab to start. You run the spell checker from Review right arrow spelling or by pressing F7. This starts a dialog that scans visible cells. As each suggestion appears, choose Ignore if the term is correct, change to accept a single replacement, or change all to apply globally. Use Add to insert proper nouns or technical terms into the custom dictionary so they won't reappear. Once the dialog finishes, Excel reports the end of checking. If you need grammar or style, Excel's options are limited. Consider exporting to Word. You complete the process by saving changes and quickly rescanning with F7 after manual edits, because new typos can appear. If spell check missed words, unhide rows and columns. Excel skips hidden cells and remove worksheet protection since protected cells are exempt. Also, check cell formats. Text stored as formulas or in certain formats won't be checked. If custom dictionary isn't applied, open Excel options right arrow proofing to confirm its path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.